This is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join. Good day. Our lesson for today is pretty easy. All you have to do is to count the number of digits. For example, number 31 has 2 digits. If you know the answer, shout it aloud so that your teacher can hear you. There are 25 items for you to answer, and please take note of your score at the end of the session. Your score tells you about how good are you in the subject matter. So make it good, kid. You may use your paper and write down items 1 to 25 and your corresponding answers. Are you ready? Question number 1. How many digits are there? Number 2. How many digits are there? Number 3. How many digits are there? Number 4. How many digits are there? Number 5. How many digits are there? Question number 6. How many digits are there? Number 7. How many digits are there? Number 8. How many digits are there? Number 9. How many digits are there? Number 10. How many digits are there? Number 11. How many digits are there? Question number 12. How many digits are there? Number 13. How many digits are there? Number 14. How many digits are there? Number 15. How many digits are there? 16. How many digits are there? Number 17. How many digits are there? Number 18. How many digits are there? Number 19. How many digits are there? Question number 20. How many digits are there? Number 21. How many digits are there? Number 22. How many digits are there? Number 23. How many digits are there? Number 24. How many digits are there? Number 25. How many digits are there? Congratulations, this ends the lesson for today. I hope you make it good. Otherwise, next time you will make it better. This is Teacher Edward saying bye-bye, but don't forget to visit, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.